Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks Online, secure fix step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.quickbooks.intuit.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. On the QuickBooks homepage, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your QuickBooks Online account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Now, enter your password in the provided field. Double-check the password for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to verify your identity. You will receive a code via email or text message. Enter the code in the provided field and click Verify. Upon successful verification, you will be directed to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. If you encounter any login issues, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password or recover your account. Always ensure you are on a secure network for added protection while logging in. If you are using a shared computer, remember to log out after your session. Explore your dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. You are now successfully logged into QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new string. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step